Yeah, come in. This is from a master, Sanballat.
From Sanballat, again.
Sanballat, yeah.
What does it say? What does it say? What does it say? In it is written that me and the Jews are rebelling against the king? That we are building a wall just to irritate him? That people are ready to proclaim me as king? No, 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 this is wrong, and he wants to meet with me. No, this is a lie. This is a lie. I must reply. Yes, my friend, my scribe. This is what you are to write to Sanballat. This, my friend, no, not my friend, Sanballat, you know this is a lie from A to Z. We are not intending to rebel against the king. We just want to finish this work for God. Nehemiah. Thank you. So please return this to Sanballat.
I will.
Yes. God, give us strength.